What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alex Costa, and whether you know it or not, your hairstyle tells a story. And I don't mean to be corny or anything, but what I mean is that your hairstyle can tell a lot about the kind of person that you are. Are you more edgy or conservative, or are you super professional and meticulous in everything that you do? It really does make a difference. So today I want to give you guys 3 men's hairstyles that really tell people what kind of person you are. Not only that, but I'm gonna give you guys examples of outfits that you should wear to match each of those hairstyles. Are you ready? Let's do it. For the first one, we're going messy. This is a messy, modern quiff. To achieve this look, you're gonna need these tools: a towel, a blow dryer, a round brush, and the finishing product. Today's video is sponsored by Old Spice, who, in case you live under a rock and didn't know, it's a one-stop shop for men's grooming products, including an awesome lineup of hairstylers that are labeled with easy to understand descriptions and visuals to help you guys get it right. First things first, you want to make sure your hair is clean and still wet. Towel dry to get some of that water out. I try to towel dry as much as possible because I don't want to sit there blow drying for 20 minutes, all right? And once your hair is damp, then just grab your round brush and the blow dryer. We're gonna start by straightening out the hair, getting rid of any stubborn kinks up front by the fringe. Remember that this is a messy style, so there is no need to be perfect here. I do that by pulling upwards and back. Just remember that your hair can break pretty easily, so don't tug and pull too hard. There is no need for that. And always blow dry in the direction that you want your hair to end up in, unless you're trying to get more volume. If that's what you want, then I recommend blow drying in the opposite direction for a few seconds, then bring it back to the final direction. And look at that, lots of volume. If you have hair popping up on the sides, just blow dry it down to keep it there. It really helps a lot, so give it a try. It's time to add some styling product, and we'll be using the Old Spice Putty for this one here, since it has high hold and low shine, which will go really well with this hairstyle. Plus, it only costs a few bucks, so you're not gonna go broke trying to look good. Even though it has high hold, it's still shapeable, so what we're gonna do now is add what I call character. All right, add some cool waves, some kinks on your own. Doing it by hand allows you to shape it however you want. I usually just fold my hair in half a little bit here at the fringe. I also do these little twists to add some texture, and the product does the job for you. Remember, we're going for a messy, cool look here, so these imperfections actually make the hairstyle so much better. And voila, this is the final hairstyle. To match it, I actually went with this denim jacket, I got some jeans, and then these Comme des Garçons Converse sneakers. It is the perfect LA winter look if you're going out with friends, and yes, I said LA winter. Whether you're going to watch a movie or maybe you're going to a rooftop party, this is a really cool look. The next hairstyle we're doing is the complete opposite of the first one. We want it to be perfect, professional, and clean. And to achieve this look, you're basically gonna need the same tools, but a vented brush instead of the round, as well as a different styling product in the end. As with the first style, we want to start clean, dry it with a towel, and then blow dry. This time though, when you're blow drying, just blow dry it straight back into your favorite side to get rid of all of the waves. We want it to be as straight as possible for this look. I also like to add a little bit of volume here, so I'll go up at the fringe just a little bit and a couple of times. The pomade from Old Spice has moderate hold and a low shine finish, and it allows you to rework your hair again and again if needed. Apply it and then just brush your hair back with the vented brush or with your fingers to get that perfect, clean look. And bam, you are ready to take on the day. This is the perfect hairstyle if you're working in an office, or if you're going in an interview, or if you're just trying to look really dapper during cocktail hour. For this last hairstyle, we're gonna need the blow dryer, the vented brush, and some Old Spice Putty. This one is very similar to the first messy hairstyle we did, but without the messy part. Once you start blow drying and getting rid of all of the waves, you want to make sure you get rid of all of them while adding some volume. Brush your hair straight back and upwards to get the volume, and then straighten your hair. You can either add some styling product, or if your hair is still a little bit wavy, what I recommend is just grab the straightener and get rid of some of those waves up front by the fringe to make it look like you have really straight hair. And then it's time to add the putty, and this time we don't want to mess with our hair, all right? We just want to use our fingers to apply the product straight back. And look at that, we have so much volume, it's not messy, and you look like $1,000,000. I'd go for a leather jacket with this hairstyle. It really shows that you care about the way that you look, but also you're a badass and ready for a long night out wherever it takes you. Now that you know how to achieve each of these hairstyles and what to wear with each of them, check out the Old Spice products in the description. There's gonna be a link there for all the products that I use and then all of the clothes that I was wearing as well. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Alex Costa for daily fashion and hairstyle inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.